Yeah. How are you? We are back at Ngezi Boer and Poultry farm. Today we are dipping the goats. We are here for the lockdown. We are far away from the city because of this COVID-19 virus. So it's a good time to catch up on all the activities at the plot. So today we are dipping our goats. This is the first time we are using this knapsack to spray them. So we are still learning and seeing how we can improve next time. I think next time we'll make like a chute so that as they pass through the chute, we can spray them more easier than we are doing right